TikTok has a really useful green screen effect inside of TikTok where you could replace the background with anything you want that you could upload. But it is a bit confusing, so I wanted to show you exactly how to use the green screen effect right on TikTok. So on your TikTok profile, I'm going to go ahead and press the plus sign here to record a video. And the first thing you want to do is you want to flip the camera so you get the front facing camera. And this is just my regular background that I have. But to create the green screen effect, you press the effects tab on the bottom. And right here next to new, there's green screen. But you see there's a whole bunch of options, which makes it really confusing if you don't know how to use the green screen filter. The one I'm going to recommend that you use looks like this right over here. And this one is the most traditional version of green screen where you could put a photo behind you. So I'm building a different YouTube studio, so I'll put that. I took a picture. So you can see this is now my new background, and I could shrink myself if I wanted to and then move myself, maybe put myself over here on the side. And then I could make references to maybe these. You could put anything you want in the background, like screenshots or whatever you want. Then you could press record and it's gonna record whatever you're doing. But you can see my hand is getting cropped. So I should place myself maybe over on the different side of the screen. So make sure you don't get cropped up by resizing yourself correctly here on screen. So I could do something like this and talk about the background. But this is all you have to do, and press the check mark. Then it's gonna bring you to the playback of the page, and then you could go ahead and post it just like any other video on TikTok. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.